LED, 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 LED. Aww. Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jason. Today, we're gonna be getting rid of the last little bit of LED at the back of my truck. I've got a set of taillights coming to finish out the full LED package, but for now, those little yellow license plate lights look terrible. Boost Auto reached out and they sent me out a set of their new LED license plate lights for my generation Silverado. So let's get those installed. It should take all of like a minute. So here's gonna be our setup. We've got our special tools laid out. We've got our new, damn good looking lights. And we've got our old ones to get out. Really, do you need any special tools? No, but this little pocket screwdriver or any pocket screwdriver is gonna be really helpful. I like to be able to see, so safety glasses, and I'm old, so I need a light to see what's going on. For me, I don't have a spare tire in here, so I have a lot more room because my spare tire holder was broken, so I took it out to get a new one. Right up under the back side of the bumper, here's your harness on the passenger side, and then here is what you're trying to get at. There should be a little relief on most of these where you can get that pocket screwdriver in and you just pop it and push it forward. On the other side, you got the same thing back in there. Let's see if there's a spot I can get this camera to go. How about right there? Does that work? Same thing, pocket screwdriver, kind of a little tilt forward. And depending on how much dirt and goo is in there, they may or may not just pop out. Now that we're back up on the top side, just twist out your connector. You're gonna have your empty housing and your bulb. Pop your bulb out. Make sure you have this little seal here. Actually, mine doesn't have a seal, it just has the washer. I'm gonna go find an O-ring that fits this because we wanna make sure to seal the housing up from the elements. You know, as it turns out, I think this might have been the original seal. It's just rock hard. So we're just gonna pop that guy out and find an O-ring that fits in here the way I want it to. There we go, that looks like a nicer seal there. Now to actually install our lights, it's pretty simple. I always use a little dielectric grease on this type of thing. I wipe just a little bit on there, then we're just gonna plug it in and then take our wiring and stuff it in there, do our little twisty. Oh yeah, that seal feels like it's much nicer. Then we've got a lip on the front and a clip on the lip on the back, clip on the front, I don't know. We're gonna slide it in this way. Slide it in and bam, that one's in. Now, for my other one, should I leave this one stock so that I can show you what it looks like at night? Nah, I was way too excited, I put them in there. Here they are in the daytime, and they are wicked bright, even in the daytime. Got the nice factory texture on there, in there solid. Guess I'm gonna have to go ahead and swap these back out to see what they look like at night. I'm gonna have to say that's pretty self-explanatory. Boost, stock light. Look at that guy. The light is so bright from over here that it's even outshining the fact that this one's even on. That's ridiculous. And with two lights, wow, what a difference. I bet this even helps to see the ball when I'm hooking up the trailer at night. I currently have a camera right there. I'm going to be replacing it with a camera that shoots straight down from my grab handle, which hopefully will be a little better than this one. But man, when you look at this from behind, boy, does that really pop now. Okay, which do you prefer? The stalkers or those hella bright Boost Autos? I think I spent more time talking to the camera than it actually took to swap those guys out, making this a pretty simple project. Like, subscribe, share. I've got the link down below to Boost Auto so you can get a set for your truck. These will fit the 99 to 07s. Take a look at their website. They've got a bunch for all sorts of different trucks too. I've got the steps on my dad's truck, the steps on my mom's truck. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Take a look down below at our link, and I will see you in the next one.